When I think of becoming one, I would say being remade by Christ. How the water was just still water, but when Christ put his hands on it, he made it new. And that's what I think about when becoming one. Meaning that in my life, I can see a lot of ways that Christ has made me new.
I had to die. I had to be crushed. I had to die to my will, and I had to surrender.
Transition means I got to let go of what's good necessarily to get to what's great. I can't hold good and great at the same time. Either I'm walking in goodness or I'm walking in greatness. Both of them ain't gonna coincide. One supersedes. If I go from glory to glory and faith to faith, then how am I gonna get there if I won't use this level of faith? How am I gonna get to the dimensional level if I'm just holding on to this level? So I have to be able to transition to my next place of glory.
Becoming one comes from a transformational space. The process aligned me up with the higher potential for God's purpose and plan for my life. Please come out April the 1st at 6 p.m. at Destiny Church, 1950 Reed Street, Dothan, Alabama, and help us celebrate.